Hello friends, welcome back to Femzo. Before getting into this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get our channel's notifications. In this video I have shown you few methods to treat pigmented or dark lips at your home. First, let us know the causes for dark lips. 1. Lack of hydration. Drink about 8 glasses of water per day to stay properly hydrated. This keeps your lips healthy. 2. Intake of too much caffeine. Caffeine is a diuretic and dries up your skin. The hot coffee may also be adding to the pigmentation on your lips. 3. Exposure to sun. The skin on your lips is delicate and is very easily harmed by exposure to sun. Just as your face needs protection from the UV rays, so do your lips. These 3 are the main reasons of dark lips. Now let us know the home remedies to treat pigmented or dark lips. Method 1. Honey and sugar scrub. Take 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Scrub on your lips gently and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. You can see the result once you scrub for the first time. Doing this method removes all the dead cells. Do this 3 to 4 times every night before going to bed. Method 2. DIY lip balm. Wash and grate 1 fresh beetroot. Extract the juice from a beetroot and pour it into a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to 6 spoons of beet extract and blend well. Keep it in the refrigerator until it solidifies. Try out these home remedies to see visible results. Comment below if you have tried any of these methods. Thanks for watching.